Hello friends. How are you? You have learned many different types of sentences to speak. Hope you are using them regularly. Today we are going to learn some new sentences. The first one starts with "it looks like." Let's start.
It looks like a beautiful flower.
It looks like an old house.
It looks like a garden.
It looks like original.
It looks like a jellyfish.
It looks like a mango tree.
It looks like a man's face.
It looks like our school.
It looks like a cute baby.
It looks like a doll.
It looks like a bracelet.
It looks like our cafe.
It looks like your keys.
It looks like my dress.
It looks like a beautiful home.
It looks like a toy.
It looks like a new bike.
It looks like a tree.
It looks like my new mobile.
It looks like a tracking device. Hope you are enjoying. Please like the video and keep watching. The next expression starts with "that's why," which means for that reason. That's why I tell him nothing.
That's why he comes here every day.
That's why we keep ourselves away.
That's why I talk less.
That's why you fail to understand.
That's why we always lock my room.
That's why she laughs when she comes across me.
That's why I don't buy from that shop.
That's why the man stays here.
That's why I take my lunch earlier.
That's why I never meet her.
That's why you don't go to home.
That's why we stay here.
That's why they play with us.
That's why I bought a new bag.
That's why Sam went to America.
That's why you go to the old age home every Sunday.
That's why he brought the sweets.
That's why the meeting was canceled.
That's why we watch the videos every day.
Very good, dear friends. Thank you for watching till now. The last expressions for today start with "let's not" plus V1.
Let's not ask him anything.
Let's not go back to that place.
Let's not discuss on that matter anymore.
Let's not stay here.
Let's not get nervous.
Let's not get too much excited.
Let's not complain against them.
Let's not interrupt her.
Let's not stop anywhere on the way.
Let's not suspect each other.
Let's not go to the party.
Let's not be late for school.
Let's not be sad.
Let's not quarrel with each other.
Let's not lie to ourselves.
Let's not leave this house.
Let's not bring that car.
Let's not go against our parents.
Let's not call anyone.
Let's not paint the garage. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends and relatives if you think it is helpful. Have a good day. And keep watching the videos. Bye for today.